this week I'm going to be doing this challenge. It's a 7-day challenge. It's supposed to like slim my legs a little bit, because as you guys can see, like I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but my legs are like the biggest part of my body and I really want to reduce them. So I found this workout on YouTube that is like, there are 4 workouts, and apparently it's supposed to help you lose weight, reduce on your leg size or thigh size within a week. I really don't know if it works, so it's just an experiment, and I decided to bring you guys along with me. So I'm just going to show you what the workout is, and I'm going to take some measurements today, and I will do the same on Saturday. Sorry, on a Sunday I will do the same. Today is Monday, so I will do the same on Sunday and see if anything has changed. Of course, it's not going to work alone. Of course, I have to keep eating clean down. I have to keep eating clean and maintaining my usual workout, which I'm still going to maintain, which is, by the way, Insanity. I've been doing the Insanity program all over again. So on top of what I'm doing, I'm just going to do this as an extra. So I'll be doing 3 sets of what I'm about to show you. So let's get straight into the workouts, and then after showing you what the workouts are, I will show you the after results. Over the weekend. I'm not going to be working out every day on camera because that's a very long and boring video, but I just want to show you what the workout is and what I'm going to do, and if it works for me and you like the results, you guys can give it a try. Alright, let's get into the workouts. So the first workout is going to be a leg side squat, which is basically squatting on the side, and it's better with socks. It's much easier with socks if you're doing this at home. So what you do is just go back like that, back like that, and make sure to put all the pressure on the heel, because then your butt is working out better. At least that's what they say in the video. So for that, I've already done my workout. I'm just showing you what it is you have to do, what it is I'm doing for it. So for that, I do 15 sets. Actually, for all of them, I'm doing 15 reps and doing 3 rounds of each on top of my workout. So the second workout is leg stretch. This is super easy. So basically, you stand and stretch your leg opposite to the opposite direction like that. That is why I was saying it's easier with socks. And go as far as you can. Let me do it for you on the side so you can see just that. Okay, and finally, the reason why my mat is here. By the way, you guys, if you don't have a mat, you definitely should get yourself a mat, because it makes working out so much easier if you have a mat. It was my first thing to purchase as a workout person. I got a mat. So get yourself one, and if you do not have one and you want to get one, no excuses. I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below, so you get yourself one today. The next workout is side leg lift. This is one of my favorite workouts. You should know if you watch me at home, lazy girl workout, because really it's so easy. Only that this time this is a little bit modified. So you just basically lie down on the side and move your leg front, back, that's 1. Front, back, that's 2. Front, back, that's 3. So you do that 15 times on both sides. And then the last workout, which is really the easiest, is leg scissors. Leg scissors are, I have to keep sucking my stomach in so that I look nice for the camera. But in other news, it's not that flat. It's like, yeah. So yeah, what was I saying? Leg scissors, which are just, you lie down, sleep flat on your back, and just do scissors like that. So those are the 4 leg workouts that I'm doing this week, and for those that follow me on Instagram, you guys already know we're doing this, and for you guys that are watching it on YouTube, you're seeing the before and after, so we're not there through the journey. But if you want to do it, guys, I'm here to support you. We can still do it together next week. What's up, munchkins? It's day 3. For some reason, I just felt like updating you on how the leg challenge is going. So today my legs are a little bit sore than usual. I did like 3 sets of 15 each, and my legs are sore. I don't know if it's because of the challenge, the picking up paper challenge that I was trying to do on Instagram. I showed you guys on Instagram that is why I keep saying it's easier. I mean, it's better if you follow me on Instagram because you get to see the process one-on-one. So what I do when I feel lazy is just wear my workout clothes. I have my mat over there, and then I'm just going to do some work on my YouTube channel and listen to some music while I dance a little bit to amp myself up. And I have a video to upload today that is where I'm like, so I'm just going to work on that and just get myself amped up, and then I will work out. Thing is, it's already late. It's 1 in the afternoon. I woke up late because I slept late last night working on this content. Anyway, I'm not complaining, I love it. But yeah, I slept late without actually even knowing. I looked at the time and I'm like, oh my god, it's late. And then that's when I went to bed. So today I woke up late, so I'm feeling super lazy, but I need to put this workout in. I need to do this. Like, I need to get that body I want. Like, I need to feel good. Not that I don't feel good right now, but I just need to lose those excess pounds. Alright guys, see you when I see you. Bye. I did manage to work out, but it was such a drag and I was so lazy. But I always urge you to push yourself and do what it is you can just to move your body and stay active. So I did, and yeah, see you on Sunday. Okay guys, finally the challenge is over. I don't see the results because I just did measure myself, but it's like still a little bit bigger, but I'm not worried because I feel like that is my muscles being swollen. The third day was hard, as I told you previously, but I'm glad I'm done. I want you guys to try this and let me know what you guys think, because I mean, it's nice to do challenges because they challenge you and keep you motivated. That is why I do them, so try them. And I know I was supposed to share with you the sugar detox, but I decided to try it on my own first before you guys trying it, and I thought what better time for you guys to try it than after Thanksgiving, which is on the 8th. So you can sign up now. I will leave the link, but you will receive the guide next week when it's time for the challenge. So see you guys in the challenge, and good luck. And yeah, these are my results. So nothing much really changed except my jeans being looser. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of these videos, and see you guys next time. Bye.